In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wise app not working, how to fix Wise app not working. If your Wise app keeps crashing, won't open, or feels sluggish, don't worry. These quick fixes usually get things back on track. I'll walk you through what to check and why it helps so you can follow along confidently. Let's start by making sure your phone has enough free storage. Apps need space to create temporary files and to install updates. And when your device is packed full, even stable apps can misbehave. Open your phone's settings and look for storage. If you're running low, remove large videos you don't need, delete old downloads, or offload apps you no longer use. Aim for at least a gigabyte or two of free space if possible. Once you've cleared some room, try opening the Wise app again and see if it behaves better. Next, restart your phone. A simple reboot clears out temporary glitches, refreshes background processes, and frees up system memory. Power your device off completely, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. After the restart, launch Wise and check if the issue is gone. You'd be surprised how often this resolves stubborn problems. If the app still isn't working, uninstall it and install it again. This replaces corrupted files and resets the app's local data without affecting your account. Before you remove it, be sure you remember your login details so you can sign back in. Uninstall Wise from your home screen or app settings, then head to the official App Store or Google Play, search for Wise, and reinstall. Open it after installation and log back in to test it. Also check your internet connection. Wise needs a stable connection for login, transfers, and verification. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switching to mobile data to compare. If you're on mobile data, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the signal. Temporarily disable any VPNs or network filters that might block secure connections. Once you're on a reliable connection, reopen the app. Finally, update your Wise app. Developers release fixes for bugs and compatibility issues, and running the latest version can solve crashes and login loops. Open your App Store, search for Wise, and tap Update if it's available. Turning on automatic updates can help prevent future issues. Follow these checks in order, and in most cases, the Wise app will be back to normal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get things working smoothly again.